Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. I'm Deborah. Today I bring for you African fashion. It's so cute and nice for wedding, party, birthday. So it's so beautiful. This is for I bring for you short and long for elegant woman. So guys, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. I bring for you kitenge. So African fashion, this is African fashion. And if it's your first time to find my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like and share. Just I'm still share a lot of video about fashion, African fashion. So I hope I do good select and I shows beautiful. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy it, and I'm here to share different African fashion and the hairstyle. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the video and you're going to like the fashion what I bring for you, for woman, elegant woman. I bring for you for wedding, party, birthday. Okay guys, it's so beautiful and cute. Okay guys, enjoy the video up to end, and don't forget to subscribe, comment and like.